Holiday is presenting a video on Kumarakom Lake Resort. There are countless reasons to visit this property. So, let's check onto this property. This resort accommodates a huge parking lot and they also have their own transportation services. So, you can hire the vehicles for your transfer from the hotel itself. Do watch this video till the end such that you have a better understanding about their rooms and amenities. So yes, I'm happily heading inside the property. I'm right in front of the entrance. My baggage has been well sanitized before the check-in process. Guests are provided with masks and gloves upon check-in. Let me introduce Mr. Praveen. So, tell me, Mr. Praveen, how is the safety protocol implemented in this resort?
Now, after the COVID pandemic, we have done a total change in our COVID setup that we are doing here. We adhere to the state and the central government policies, and then you can see there is a strictly glass barrier kept between the reception and the guests so that they are not infected. And at the time of arrival itself, right from your car, it's been disinfected. We use the parking there, and then your temperature is checked. We provide face masks and then hand gloves for the guests. And then once the temperature checking is done, unlike before, we don't do the check-in procedures at the counter right now. We have we take the government ID prior to arrival. We take your sanctions like your COVID protocol sanctions before you come, and we send you a link which has to be filled and then sent back to us so that you are aware. It's a self-declaration wherein you have to give your that you are not coming from a COVID infected area, and none of your family has been infected. So there are certain protocols in that which we follow, and then once we get that, and even the payment is taken online, so that we try to minimize the interaction at the reception. It is quite unnatural until now, because the core of guest satisfaction was our interaction. We are trying to reduce the interaction as much as possible in the current scenario.
In order to avoid these.
And you can see even the pens, we keep that sanitized, and then the used pens are kept separately. There is as much lesser interaction as possible at the counters, so that you are prepared even before you are arrived.
So as Mr. Praveen said, all the safety protocols are being properly implemented here. As you can see, a sanitizer has been kept, properly well sanitized pens have been kept here, and also separated by a glass partition in order to avoid any physical interaction. Adjacent to the lobby, we could find various accolades achieved by the resort, and they have been displayed in these glass containers. Kumarakom Lake Resort was also featured in various newspapers and magazines, and the cutout of them have been displayed on these white boards such that the guests can go through them. So I'll be taking you to the rooms of this resort. These are Mandarin pools, and they are the exceptional highlight of this property. And it turns out to be 250 meter long. This suite had been named as such after Prince Charles had made his stay. So this is the place where Prince Charles had stayed. As you can see, the rooms are well sanitized before the guest arrives. So yes, I'm heading into the presidential suite. This is the living room of the suite. Wow, just look at the wooden ceiling. Kerala's traditional architecture is well depicted here. These spacious bedrooms comes along with 2 bath points. There is a closed bath point as well as an open bath area. So this is the closed bath point which I was talking about. And this is the open bath area. Just look at the towels which are being arranged in a well-disciplined manner. And yes, this open bath area comes along with a bathtub too. I was so astonished to catch the sight of Vembanad Lake. Amazing, isn't it? So the suite has got a private pool which overlooks the broadest part of Vembanad Kaya. This resort have been preserving a 300-year-old heritage. You can find antiques that belong to Kerala's heritage in every nook and corner of this resort. History of Etiquette, the specialty restaurant, has been mentioned here. It's commissioned by the King Marthanda Varma as a gift to his favored martial arts tutor. This etiquette had been dismantled from its original location and relocated to Kumarakom Lake Resort. And today it is dedicated to culinary arts, as it was earlier dedicated to martial arts. Now this is what we called a careful, detailed recreation. So this is Nalukettu or four-sided mansion. It is just right beside to the Etiquette specialty restaurant. Okay, now I would be pausing my background score such that you could experience and feel the ambience of the place. And now I'm walking towards Luxury Pavilion rooms. This resort is an eye treat as it is surrounded by various varieties of trees. Sanitizers have been installed in various touch points. I'm showing you the interior of Luxury Pavilion rooms. Rooms are well decorated, well furnished, well sanitized. As you can see, these are live plants. Now I am taking you to the bath area of Luxury Pavilion rooms. These are closed bath points and there is a large jacuzzi here. All the rooms in Kumarakom Lake Resort except the Luxury Pavilion rooms have private pool. Just look at the ambience of this resort. They are created with careful precision and detailing. Coming to the star attraction and my personal favorite, the meandering pool villas. They are running across the hectares of this property. So So let's head into one of the Mandarin pool villas. This is how it looks from inside. Kumarakom Lake Resort stands out in maintaining their rooms on regular intervals, which is why this resort has been a customer's choice. You can have a direct access to the pool from your bedroom. Let me take you to the bath area of this villa. They are open bath points. But you don't have to worry on your safety as they are highly secured. So what we are seeing now is the duplex meandering pool villa. I'm so excited to check into this villa. So yes, this duplex villa accommodates a living room overlooking the pool, where you have an individual access to the pool. The luxurious bedroom of this villa is located upstairs, where you can have a bird's eye view of this resort. So I'm checking on to one of the heritage pool villas. These villas offer a dazzling view of the landscaped gardens and the clean canals. This lock is called Manichitratale. Even this has been inherited from the Kerala's tradition. These exotic plush villas has its own private courtyard with a private pool and jacuzzi. Kumarakom Lake Resort is sure to touch your soul with its divine beauty. This multi-award winning resort is set by the banks of Lake Vembanad. And the resort offers ancient heritage havens in a choice of luxury pavilion rooms, heritage villas with private pools, meandering pool villas, and presidential suite, each an epitome of luxury. Staying in a houseboat is everybody's dream, am I right? Yes, so this resort is offering a stay at houseboat too. There are 2-bedroom houseboats and 1-bedroom houseboats too. So this is the houseboat jetty where you can access to the houseboat. This resort has lot to offer. So why don't you check on to this property? To know more on this property, please contact us. Our contact details are mentioned in the description below.